solve 3x plus 2 whole square of y double dash plus 3 times 3x plus 2 of y dash minus 36y is equal to 8x square plus 4x plus 1. So this is a question. Now, so the given question, take as it is. So this is of Legendre. This is Legendre's linear equation. So therefore put here 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 is equal to e raised to t, or t is equal to what here? Log of 3x plus 2. So these are the two substitution initially we need to apply, but here in the Legendre we need to get the value of x. So from here, so which implies from here x value can be get it as 3x is equal to e raised to t minus 2, or x is equal to e raised to t minus 2 whole divided by 3. So this is nothing but the value of x, and this t will remain as it is. Now we'll also replace the value of this 3x plus 2 of y dash as 3x plus 2 of y dash will be replaced as coefficient of x is 3. So 3 into the value of y dash can be written as d of y. Similarly 3x plus 2 whole square of y double dash will be 3x plus 2 y double dash. So here it is whole square of it is. So because of whole square it will become 3 square into d of d minus 1 of y. So simplify and give this as equation number 1. So equation 1 becomes as, so substitute this. So 3 square will be 9. So 9 d into d minus 1 of y plus 3 times, so this 3 is nothing but from the question, and we need to replace 3x plus 2 of y dash as 3 of d of y minus 36y as it is 8 times. So we know the value of x is e raised to t minus 2. So this x, we have x square, so how to write here this x square? Write the x value e raised to t minus 2 divided by 3 whole square plus 4 times again x value e raised to t minus 2 divided by 3 plus 1. Okay, right hand side, be careful. So simplify on both the side. So here on the left hand side 9d of d minus 1 plus 3 3s are 9 d minus 36 of y is equal to 8. It will be e raised to t minus 2 whole square divided by 3 square will be 9 plus 4 upon this 3 into e raised to t minus 2 plus 1. So left hand side you simplify, open the bracket. So we'll get 9d into d is 9d square minus 9d plus 9d minus 36 of y. So here 8 upon 9, you apply the formula of a minus b whole square to the right hand side. It is e raised to t whole square plus 4 minus 2 into e raised to t plus, open the bracket, or else 4 by 3 e raised to t minus 2 and this plus 1 I am writing here. Okay, so simplify here, plus 9 minus 90 and plus 90 cancels. What left here? 9d square minus 36 of y is equal to 8 upon 9. Simplify this. So e raised to t square can be written as e raised to 2t plus 4 minus 2 2s are 4 e raised to t plus, open the bracket, 4 e raised to t upon 3 Plus into minus is minus. 4 2s are 8 upon 3 and the plus 1. So among this you take 9 common. So what left here? D square minus 4 of y is equal to, open the bracket, 8 by 9 of e raised to 2t plus 8 4s are 32 upon 9 minus 32 e raised to t divided by 9. So here we have already plus 4 e raised to t upon 3 minus 8 upon 3 plus 1. We'll simplify completely now. So on simplification, just see here, 8 upon 9 e raised to 2t, we don't have any other term here, so as it is. So minus 32 e raised to t upon 9 and plus 4 into e raised to t upon 3 will become minus 20 upon 9 into e raised to t. Then plus 32 upon 9 minus 8 upon 3 plus 1 will become 17 upon 9. So I don't want this 9 here. So how to remove this 9? So you divide both the side 9 so that we will get as, so divide 9, so we'll get what here? So d square minus 4 of y is equal to, it will become, you take 1 upon 9 common and divide with this, it will become 1 upon 81 of 8 e raised to 2t minus 20 e raised to t plus 17. You take 1 upon 9 common, then you divide to that. 9 into 9 is 81. So now the left hand side we will need to simplify. So auxiliary equation is d square minus 4 equal to 0, or d square is equal to 4, or d is equal to plus or minus square root of 4, which is nothing but d is equal to plus 2 and d is equal to minus 2. So therefore yc will be c1 e raised to 2t plus c2 e raised to minus 2t. So this is a complementary function. Now go for pi. So yp is nothing but c1. Yp is nothing but right hand side. What we have right hand side? 1 upon 81 of 8 e raised to 2t minus 20 e raised to t plus 17 whole divided by auxiliary equation d square minus 4. So this can be rewrite as yp is equal to 1 upon 81 separated 8 e raised to 2t upon d square minus 4 minus 220 into e raised to t upon d square minus 4 plus 17 divided by d square minus 4. This 17 we can write it at 17 into 0 e raised to 0 t. Now for all three terms having type 1, so here replace d equal to 2, here replace d equal to 1, and here you replace d equal to 0. So therefore yp is equal to 1 upon 81 of 8 into e raised to 2t divided by, so 2 square minus 4 minus 20 into e raised to t divided by 1 square minus 4 plus 17 into e raised to 0 t divided by 0 square minus 4. So we'll simplify. Yp is equal to 1 upon 81. So 8 into e raised to 2t upon 4 minus 4 minus 20 e raised to t upon 1 minus 4 plus 17 into e raised to 0 into t as minus 4, but this is going to become 0, so therefore I will say that denominator is turning to 0. In other two cases it is going to simplify, so other will simplify and write, but again will apply differentiate the auxiliary equation and will go for one more step. So yp is equal to 1 upon 81 of t into 8 into e raised to 2t divided by, so differentiation of d square minus 4 is nothing but what here 2d, minus here simplification is 20 e raised to t divided by minus 3, and here so plus into minus is minus 17 upon 4. So therefore, so here you replace d equal to 2, so therefore yp will become 1 upon 81 of 8t into e raised to 2t divided by 2 into 2 minus minus plus 20 e raised to t upon 3 minus 17 upon 4. So on simplification 1 upon 81, so 8t into e raised to 2t upon 4 plus 20 e raised to t upon 3 minus 17 upon 4. So which is nothing but 1 upon 81, 4 ones are 4 twos are, will get 2t e raised to 2t plus 20 e raised to t upon 3 minus 17 upon 4. So therefore our yp will be finally, so this is a final yp. So complete solution is given by y is equal to yc plus yp. So our y is equal to yc is nothing but c1. So here yc plus yp I have entered, so e raised to 2t can be written as e raised to t square, e raised to minus 2t can be written as e raised to t raised to minus 2, 1 upon 81 as it is 2t into e raised to 2t can be written as e raised to t square plus 20 upon 3 e raised to t and minus 7. So you have to replace these two values, will get finally as y is equal to c1 3x plus 2 whole square plus c2 3x plus 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon 81 of 2 times t value is log of 3x plus 2 into 3x plus 2 whole square plus 20 upon 3 into 3x plus 2 minus 17 upon 4. So in this way you have to complete the problem.